Oh, damn it. Okay, is there anybody here? Is there anybody out there? So I just did the most stupidest thing I've ever done. At least streaming. Well, maybe not the stupidest thing, but I went to exit my trade that I was in, and instead I hit the exit button for the stream. And that means I also got out of the trade later than I wanted to. Jay, hey Ox, give me a sec on that. I have an answer. I believe not for the 90%. I believe the best one on the 25K is 83, but let me look to make sure. Yeah, 83%. Ox 83 is the code for the 20 is the best on the 25K. Yeah, I don't believe I did that. I tried to exit the trade and I exited the stream instead. Thank you all for coming back. I was going to exit for 40 ticks. I only ended up getting 2 ticks off that trade. Correct, Jay. And it's end of day. The Ox 83 is only for intraday. Wait, seriously, Ace? So now I need to get back into the swing of things. Excellent, Tio. That Nightbot, he can be quite the salesman. See, I thought I was crazy when I switched to a 15-second chart. Ace never said, hey, excellent, you're using a 15-second chart, just like me. RJ still doesn't believe you. Considering I've seen him go long and short within 5 minutes, I don't think he really worries about trend, but that's just a guess. By the way, guys, I'm not sure we're going to see G-Man back. He got upset about something that was said yesterday. He told me off last night. Remember when you kidded around Ace about going opposite of him? I got a message. So I mean, he was fine. We talked yesterday afternoon, and then last night I got the message. BS today from your pal Ace. No balls to mic up and calls me out. Done trying to help. Good luck. And your BS on some random loser. I knew that this is the second time this has happened. He told I gave him another chance. Like he told me once to f off, once, and that's why he had disappeared for so long. And he came back and seemed like everything was good, and now he pulled this. So, yep, exactly. No, you didn't, Ace. Don't. Something, something would have triggered it eventually. Like I said, he told me once in the past to f off, and I actually had banned him from the Discord, banned him from the stream. And then I always give people second chances. It's you got to do something really bad to me for not to get a second chance. And everything was seeming good, and then I mean, like I said, I talked to him yesterday after the stream, and he was fine. Everything was fine. And then 9 hours later, I get that message. Yeah, totally on him. Do not worry about it, Ace. Joke around. I like your joking. You make this place better. I just I wanted to let you guys know because I know he's become kind of had become a kind of a part of the stream here the last couple of weeks. So I just wanted everyone know that he might not be back. He's actually traveling right now, so he should be on a plane right this minute. He was going to Austin today. That I knew, but now I mean it's on him, Ace. Well, not on you at all. Everyone's supposed to freeze. No trades, guys. No trades. Ace said to freeze. Yeah, exactly. I mean, this stream has seen lots of people come and go. The people that are meant to be here are meant to be here, and I'm not worried about it. I yeah, RJ, I kind of feel the same, but I did learn some from him. And actually, this was actually a volume spike trade that I missed. That's something I did learn from him. He had you blocked? Like, you couldn't see what he said, or? Oh yeah, I know. I tried to point that out. I even, I actually said back to him, and he never replied. Ace would have said the same to RJ as a joke. Wait, if you don't see him, To, then you accidentally blocked him somehow. People can't block you from seeing their messages. They can only block themselves from seeing your messages. Popping back up. I'm not sure. That's weird. Hmm. Anyway, we're still trying to trade here. I don't like this price action right now either. He wouldn't be invited on the mic again, honestly. He's still welcome in the community. I'm not banning him unless he comes in and does something stupid. But I'm not putting him on the mic. Yeah, I'm not real happy with the market right now. Exactly. This is a very positive place, and I won't, especially won't have him calling people losers. That rubbed me worse than the whole. If he's butthurt about the comment because he, you know, takes things too seriously, that's fine. When you start calling people losers, then I start having a problem. Nice move. Uh, G-Man call. There was someone in here yesterday talking about money and how much they could make in a certain amount of time, and I ended up calling G-Man on the carpet for that. He's called their questions silly, and I said there's no silly questions. Especially from a newer trader, this is what's taught. We just need to help people see that it's more than just the money. And then later on, he called that person a loser. His quote was, "And you're BS and some random loser." So whatever, for that, I want an apology from him if he does decide to come back. Uh, he sent me a message 9 hours after the stream last night on Discord. He got upset about Ace, a joke from Ace, and something else. Look at this fall, guys. Yeah, I guess it should, based on the hourly chart, should have kind of guessed we were coming back down. Quite the fall, 52 points. I'm way too late on this long, but we'll see what happens. Should have been in at 60. I got in at 67. Holy crap. Yeah, that was stupid. I chased that. See if it works out. Oh yeah, you said RJ, he got upset about something you said last week. Uh, I don't even remember what it was. He was on a call with me on Discord after the stream, and he's like, "Who does RJ think he is?" And like, he didn't mean anything. He was, yeah. Uh, you kiddingly said something about something wasn't smart or something, and it wasn't even meant for about his trade or any about or what he said, and he thought it was about that. I had a feeling, honestly, this day was coming again. Because, like I said, he and I had it out in the past, like a year and a half, year and a half ago. And I could tell there was a change recently. It seemed more like the old G Man than the new G Man. So, they were posted last night, JJR. Yeah, G-Man told me off last night because he didn't like something Ace said yesterday, and he didn't like me telling him that he shouldn't say something from a new trader is a silly question. Still in this trade. Remember, I got in this trade 7 points late, so we'll see where it goes. We're gonna stop up here a little bit below that blue candle. Yep. I think he's a good trader, but I mean, Warren Buffett himself could come in here if he was acting all toxic. I wouldn't want him in here unless he was paying me to be here. But that said, having someone on the mic was fun. If anyone else ever wants to get on the mic, we can do that. even if you don't have any, real trading insights, just, banter. I've been wanting Ace and RJ on the mic for a while. Sid Chase, we actually did have Sid on one evening, on one of the evening streams. But we can. I'm not sure. He seems busy during the day, but I'll talk to him and see if he wants to do a day. A day, where he has some time. Yeah, I love that, RJ. And see, I still don't know your name. I can't read your name. Uh, the one that just said I will come to the mic. But we can look at that as well. But I'm gonna need to know what to call you if I have you on on live. The Saudi dude. Okay, that works. Oh yeah. I mean, no, I mean, G-Man did admit to blowing accounts and all that, but I don't know. Like I said, I think he's a good trader. I don't know. I'm not trying to run the guy down at all. He has helped me. I'll be honest. He has helped me with some things with trading, but I don't care. That doesn't give you a license to call people names. It doesn't give you a license to be a jerk. Ah, really? You're gonna come back at me? Dang it. Hopefully, JJR. That really sucks. Yeah, Apex is gonna lose business. I uh yeah, I mean he stayed away for about a year this past time and then came back. Well, I mean for a lot of people those rules actually don't matter. I mean I don't dollar cost average. I never go for more than 3 to 1. I always use a stop. So none of those rules affect me, but there's some of those rules are stupid. And they're I mean they're like we said before, they're because of Alpine. There we go. Target hit. Look at that. Even getting in 7 points late, I got my 15 points there. I don't think you have to use. I mean, you have to have a stop, but I don't think you need to use brackets. Nice rise up, heading back up to 18,500. Just want to thank you all for coming back after I stupidly ended the stream. no more than a 3-to-1 risk reward. So I don't know if you do need a profit target on there. We're just working on solving world peace, climate change, and figuring out women, Ace. Yeah, but Hassan, they didn't go on. They aren't live streaming and openly admitting to it. Yeah, Ace, we're trying to figure out when you're going to come on the mic. RJ's agreed to. Well, Hassan, it started getting attention. MyFundedFutures started tweeting about what Alpine's doing. Ace, don't. It was going to happen. Like I said, one of the things I said is it was going to happen eventually. He got upset about something RJ said last week. So, MyFundedFutures is not a scam. They pay out. Their scam means that they don't pay out, etc. You may not like them, and I don't always like everything about them, but they do pay and all that. Now, trading, now that's a scam. We did get about 500 up to 513. While more Forex funds are coming, Funding Pips is launching Funding Ticks here in shortly. What's GameStop doing? Good question. Let's see. AMD's all the way down to fives. Bet you that means GameStop is as well. Let's look. Yeah, GameStop's down to 35.30. I have $23 in an Ally brokerage account. Think I should go in and buy four shares of AMC. Hey, CBR. Nice move up here. That blue candle would have been nice. Now back down. CBR says YOLO. We're going to YOLO. Guess those option traders did really well on some GME options yesterday. Excellent, CBR. I saw your post on the Discord. Not today, Saudi dude, but we will do that in the future. It's because my stream's all messed up today with accidentally ending it. Yeah, it was an excellent analysis, Hassan. Tell me if the price action on NQ is doing anything. I'm looking to buy these AMC shares on my brokerage account. I can't remember how to do it. There we go. Quantity 100. No, 4. I can afford 4. That's it. You got your 2, Ace? Okay. I'm now the proud owners of 4 shares of AMC. Still heading up. Excellent job, Ace. And Q. Yeah, I mean, people make their own choices, and it's like I said. I think you were at the bus, but I said, you know, we don't need, toxicity here. We've had people have come and gone. The good people have stayed. The people that find us that stay are the good people. CBR, you need to rewind the stream for about the last 30 minutes. Yeah, G-Man got upset about something from yesterday. And he's the most grown of us all, mostly. I've never found out his exact age, but he's in his 60s. He talks about being in high school in the 1960s, so he has to be in his 60s. So, yeah, maybe 70s. Yeah, somewhere around there. I mean, I think he is saying school in the 60s, but yeah, somewhere 60s, 70s, somewhere in there. And he said he saw Wilt Chamberlain play. Popping back up. Maybe it was college in the 60s. No, that'd make him even older. Now that I think about it, I don't know. I don't want to say exactly, but I know he said he saw Wilt Chamberlain play. I know that was late 60s, early 70s. That was G-Man. That's the guy we're talking about. So, whoosh. Whoa, whoosh all of a sudden. We got a whoosher. What should I take it now? It was kind of a double top. Up, fell, up, whoosh. No, he got upset about a joke. And then, I mean, he was kind. I mean, and then he called someone asking a question. He said it was a silly question because they were asking about how much money they could make, which is exactly what most newer traders ask. You know, and I told them that you don't talk to people like that because it immediately turns off their brain to anything constructive. You tell them, well, this is how I used to think as well, but this is why I think this way now. And that starts a positive and constructive conversation. But yeah, Ace made a joke because he had made about a call about the market coming down yesterday, and the market went up first. And Ace just made a joke about how we should all just take trades opposite G-Man. He's made that joke. I've made that joke. He's made that joke before with other people. He's made that joke about me. RJ's made that joke about me. It was 100% a joke. And me and G-Man even talked afterwards, and he said, yeah, I know Ace was joking. It's fine. And then last night at 9 o'clock, out of the blue, on Discord, I got message, BS today from your pal Ace. No balls to mic up and calls me out. Done trying to help. Good luck. And your BS on some random loser. So hang in here, 514. But the thing is, he was fine. He and I talked for an hour after the stream till I left to watch a ball game, and he was fine. And then 9 hours later, no, he was like I said, he got upset about something RJ said last week that was a joke as well. He, he thinks everyone should follow what he does, and he gets upset if people don't. Yeah, he got upset last week. He sent me a message. Maybe I should not go on and talk anymore. I'm like, why? He's like, so they're not giving me any feedback. He constantly wanted to hear that, oh, it's a great idea. I should trade like that and all that. Yeah, I was thinking that too. He was preparing for a trip today. He's going to Austin, Texas. So I don't know. So I don't know. Like he's still a part of the community. They didn't ban him from anything. He's still welcome here. He's not welcome on the mic for a while though, or at least, or maybe never. I'll CBR. I actually didn't think you were gonna go back and listen to everything. Oh wow, nice move back up here. The 531. Oh, darted ace. Keep this up. It's just gonna be me and you on the stream. He was he. Like I said, I didn't think that we are gonna see a major problem. But I didn't expect yesterday to be the last time he'll be on the mic. Well, last time he didn't come back for. Last time he didn't come back for a year. Got to 533. What was our high? High was 547. So it dipped and then right back up here now. Nothing can stop the NQ. It just keeps on going and going and going. I mean, I know there's a couple things, Ace, but nothing I would ever say because it would just be to try and see if it would make it quit the room to see it. But no. Darn, I really need to set up a drum. Uh, but no, we're good here. This is, I've always considered the solid people here family. We're always always open to welcoming new people into the family. And you guys, as I've said before, have helped me through a lot. Lots of people have come and gone. The core people have stayed. We've added new people, and TO's here too. And yeah, yeah, I remember last year about this time when that like group of 50 people left the stream and they acted like it was going to cause this major downfall of the stream, and we're still here. Good luck, Hassan. Yeah, and that's the other thing is, gotta remember, you can't see context in text. That's why I should always, if something comes across offensive, gotta take it with a grain of salt, because if you saw that person make that same joke in person and you saw the way their face looked and their mannerisms, you would know it was joking, versus straight text can look, more rough. Yeah, we've come a long way. And, I legit care about most of you. No, all of you. The people I've got to meet. But have they won the war, Hassan? I agree. Like I said, he didn't tell me to F off this time like last time. So he didn't get banned. He's still welcome here. Hassan, I'm very sorry for having integrity. uh, 5 accounts? I thought it was 10. Thought it was 10, but you can only copy trade 5 at a time. But I'll check on that. Jabs, are you still here by chance? One guy was here, but that was on the first stream. Coming down. I'm glad. Okay. Okay, there we go. I knew it was something like that. I didn't get the clarification. I appreciate you letting me know that. And the buy one get one free sale, it's you only allow one free on the buy one get one. And they allow Saudi Arabia. My goal, but I need to find more time because time's not my friend, is to make a master list of what prop firms allow what countries. Yes, they're very legit. Matter of fact, they have not one but two reps on the Discord. I've been in a Zoom call with them when I first became an affiliate. They're a good company. Mm. If you hear about a plane that was going from California to Texas suddenly blowing up, you know G-Man's reading the chat and his head exploded. Nice. Hassan? Ooh, popping up there with blue candle. I kind of like it. We're going to go long, I think. Yeah, I don't like it anymore. So it gets back above that wick. Yeah, no, maybe, maybe no. Yeah, I don't like it. Rolex roasting. Hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. I don't recognize your name, so I'm going to assume you're new. Oh, fun, David. Have a great day. Remember, don't jump over the railing like Bobby Brady once tried to do. Oh, welcome from Pakistan. No, seriously, have fun, David. Get some pictures. Share them with us. Wow. So, Rolex, I always like to ask new people questions, but you can ignore them. You can tell me to shut up, anything like that. But I always like to know, how long have you been trading and how long have you been trading futures? Do you use prop firms? And what asset or assets do you like to trade? I am on TradingView. Watch him stay like 2 miles because he's at a hotel. So I know he lives in Missouri, so I'm thinking he's must already be there. And your exit indicator. This one here by Everget. Looks kind of like a super trend. I'll give it a check later on when I'm like can actually analyze stuff. Is that something you use, Rolex? Yeah, I saw that. But yeah, I'll analyze it a little bit later. If you're gonna do that, Ace, please take a video. Took a long here for kicks and giggles. Yeah, don't like it. Taking it back off. Is that what you mostly trade, Rolex? Crypto? Cool. I've never really traded crypto. I should have stayed in that trade. Dang it. I'll blame Hassan. I trade futures mostly. Do you just trade BTC, Rolex, or do you do altcoins as well? I was just joking, Hassan. I got out of a trade too early and then it went. I just decided to blame you for no good reason. Okay, cool. Yeah. I mean, I do look at BTC. I look at what it does each day. Maybe. I don't know. Seems like it should come crashing down, but oh, I totally forgot about crude oil. Oh, look at that bounce on crude. Crude oil just had its inventories. Rolex, we're mostly futures traders here, but you're certainly welcome to be part of the community no matter what you trade. GME is still falling. So that means AMC is probably still falling. I should have waited for the bounce on AMC before I bought. Yeah, what did I do? Still rising here in NQ. 552. About 20 minutes to go in the stream. Remember, we are streaming this evening for 2 hours, 7 to 9. If you haven't taken advantage, Apex, Bulenox, Topstep X, all their evals are under 20 bucks for those 50K accounts. Oh, there we go. We're up to 60 now. 560. Seven to 9 Eastern, so it'll be 5 to 7 your time. So I just imagine you saying that in an entirely British accent. Hello, William. Okay, so William, they accept credit cards through a thing called Banksa, Banxa, and all it converts it to crypto. And you need to do KYC requirements, like you need to give them your social security number. So a lot of people aren't comfortable with that. And you need to buy, like, I think the minimum is like 50 at a time. So you can't just buy one account. You need to buy $50 worth or $30 worth or something like that at a time. So while, yeah, they accept credit cards, it converts it to crypto and then you're still paying crypto. So that's why I say they don't accept credit cards. It's not, in my opinion, a real credit card processor. But the Banksa company is registered, I believe, on a Canadian stock exchange, so they are a real company. But I know most people aren't comfortable with doing KYC to make a payment. Right. Now, last I looked, and I haven't looked, they were also taking payments from like Coinbase. I haven't looked if that's still the case. Like you can connect your Coinbase account and pay with crypto that way. But yeah, that's the extent of it. I'm hoping they eventually get a real credit card processor because I believe they are a good company. I got confirmation yesterday that they are paying people out, so they just need a real card processor. Uh, you're very welcome, William. Anything else I can do to help? Let me know. My credit's still so messed up that someone got my social security number really wouldn't matter. If they can get credit in my name, I'll congratulate them. See, I have my credit. Yeah, my current credit. I've gotten all my current debt caught up on for the most part. Still got a little bit, but not a lot. But I have things in collections from 4 or 5 years ago when I had my amputation, and that's still all messed up. And I'm not really gonna be able to fix that too soon. It's not actually medical bills, Ace. It's just that, to keep my life running, I used credit cards to pay for other stuff, during that time. And, like my rent and stuff like that. So I had no income coming in. So that was about my only option. Yeah. I mean, I'm assuming that they would allow that, William. Still got to take a lot of points, Ace. I think my collections equal about $15,000. Now no one sued me yet. 150 days, Ace. All right, Hassan. Have a good day. Enjoy your breakfast. All right, RJ. Have a good day in golf. You're not going to send me a message tonight at 9 o'clock, RJ, and about something that upset you on the stream today, are you? Let's not YOLO my funded accounts. I mean, I could. Oops. Stopped out. Decided it didn't want to come down. Yes, I have heard that. I have heard that they pay from someone I trust. Still hanging around 18,570. Have a great day, RJ. Wow. That's a big word there, flummoxed. Still heading upwards. Uh, See here, MightyOxTrading, you could even fulfill life goals. Apex Discord blowing up. They've just made it that only people that have funded accounts can speak. Yeah, I remember him. Wonder what Cool Beans is doing. Hey Moxie, how you doing? See you, Ace. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow. Nice fall here. Not afraid of falling. So it got up to 72. It's fallen back about 10. Hops. Falling back down. I think we're going to head down now. Let's see. I bet you. Part of me wants to just go short for a long time. We'll try a short here. Kind of a random spot. Couple more minutes to go here. See where this trade goes. Uh, I don't know. Here I can get. Let me see if it lets me get an invitation. News? I don't think there's any more news today. Let me check the news. And I'll check the Discord. Yeah, no. Well, there's a Fed speaker coming up in an hour from now. That's the only other news today. CVR invite link for Apex Discord. It's not looking good. Yeah, it's still just kind of bopping here. I do not have a Telegram. I haven't figured out. I haven't figured out a reason for one. But if someone wants to give me a reason for a Telegram, I'm open to that. I'm more a Discord person. But if there's an interest in having a Telegram for any purpose, I'm stopped out. I'm open to adding that. Cool. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah. Here's my Discord link because I used to have Nightbot posting it, but then Nightbot got there was too many Nightbots going. Give me a sec. Look at that go up. How wrong was I? Here is the MightyOxTrading Discord link for anybody who would like to join the MightyOxTrading Discord. So back up to 580. We have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today and coming over to the new stream after I stupidly closed out the first one. We'll be back tonight, 7 to 9 Eastern, and then back tomorrow, of course, at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll talk to you then. Bye. Enjoy today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from Mighty Ox Trading. Have a great rest of your day.